Hey, this is the, we call it the, Tesla call it the load forward minion. My load forward minion broke over here. So today we're going to replace it with the new one I just bought from Tesla for $9.61. If you do it at home, you'll save a lot on labor. Labor will cost you maybe somewhere around like 60, 70 bucks. You buy it and you do it yourself, you save at least 50 bucks. So I've done this before. I don't remember, but we'll see. This should just come up here like that. And then they're saying like these things should just pop out once it's ready. So first we'll pop this out. You can pop whichever side you did. Last time I did it on here, but today I had to pop this side.
Oh, last time it broke on this side?
Yes, just like that. So then, oh, we need a hex nut. So I need to find myself a hex nut too. So you unscrew this. Put it down here for now. This will allow you to take this off. You have to take these out too. Like this. Just like that. Put that hex nut on this side too. Put this aside like that. And it just pops out. Just like that. Sturdy. You need to watch it.
You want to vacuum it?
Yep. Here, just pull it up. It should just come out. Just like that. Next, you have to pull this piece side up. This is also, I think we need this. Plug it up, and it just come out like that. Come out like that. Another one. That one just popped out. This one just popped out. This one just popped out. And we need to have this one pop out, and it hasn't popped out yet. It's a little bit, push it in. I did it myself. There we go. So that comes out. See? So we have all of these come out, right? Let me fix this. Last time I didn't put this through. So this should go in like that. So to fit snugly like that. So now there's the thing right here you have to pull it out too. So there are two clips there that you have to also take out. It's just a matter of click. One out. And two out. 3. So there's a total of 3. Once you get those 3 clips out, you can pull it out. You should be able to pull it out. There you go. Just like that. So this broke. Now let's put the pieces back. Take this, put it back in here like this. That. And reposition the clips. You have to squeeze it in and lift this up so it can fit the hole and jab it in. There you go. Done with that. Once we're done with that, here we should. And then you push it back in here.
Wait, how come there's a hole right here?
Because
but this side doesn't have a hole.
Because there's that one other piece, the broken piece. You pull this out and put it back in. We'll do that later.
Oh, okay.
Screw it back in. Right. One. Two. And let's see, it just goes out like that. This has to go in the hole like that. And then goes in there. Push it in. Last one is it? Goes here. Pull this up. Align it. Push it down. Push down the tab. Take this one. And we line it in here. Align the holes. Actually, after you align the holes, we can tuck this in. The inserts. Just like that. Let's see this side. Make sure this one's tucked into. And screw this side. we need to pull this out. We need a plier to pull this. Take this out. See this piece? You need to keep it. If you don't, you have to probably buy another piece. There you go. So here. Looks good, looks good. All the screws are there. Now, last, put this back in. And you're set. Load floor here. Done. Actually, not done. Now we need to put this in, which is just a matter. Plug it in. That side. Things should just fall into place. Don't put too much pressure, or else you'll break things. Just like that. Now it's complete.